Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on Xbox Series S. Since Brawl Stars is primarily designed for mobile devices, direct installation onto your Xbox is not an option. However, there is a clever workaround. We will achieve this by running an Android emulator on your personal computer, then streaming that display directly to your Xbox Series S. This method requires a reliable PC and a stable, high-speed internet connection for the best experience. First, you will need to set up an Android emulator on your personal computer. Popular choices include BlueStacks or LD Player, which are designed to run mobile applications smoothly. Once installed, open the emulator and complete the initial setup, including logging into your Google account. This step grants you full access to the Google Play Store, where you can easily find and download Brawl Stars directly onto your emulated Android device. Next, we will send your PC's display to your Xbox Series S. Start a screen sharing session on your computer using a program like OBS Studio with a virtual camera or a dedicated streaming utility. Then, on your Xbox, launch the Microsoft Edge browser and enter the local IP address or streaming link provided by your PC's software. You might need to fine-tune the video resolution and frame rate settings on your personal computer for the smoothest possible experience. Finally, let's get your Xbox controller working for the game. Pair your Xbox controller to your PC using Bluetooth, allowing for direct control input. Within your Android emulator, access the key mapping settings to assign the on-screen Brawl Stars controls to your physical controller buttons. For the best performance, consider lowering the in-game graphics settings and ensure no other heavy applications are running on your computer, minimizing any potential input lag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.